Flagstaff is fully committed to manufacturing lightweight trailers. A division of Forest River Inc., Flagstaff is located in the heart of Amish country in Millersburg, Indiana, where they have manufactured one of the most respected brands of tent campers, travel trailers, and fifth wheels for 36 continuous years. Flagstaff is proud to announce their partnership with Sequent Performance Products, the leader in heavy-duty towing in their RV industry. With Sequent's new Reese Revolution, the Flagstaff fifth-wheel trailer can now be towed by a half-ton truck with short beds, without the need for a slider. Flagstaff's 18 years of vacuum-bonded lamination makes them one of the longest-running producers for travel trailers and fifth wheels. Pulling into a tight campsite is no longer an issue. With the Reese Revolution, reversing into your spot is easy. The Reese Revolution removes the added weight of a slider and returns storage space to the truck. You ever have trouble getting a straight shot at your parked fifth wheel when hooking up? No worries. With the Reese Revolution, just crank the wheel to the angle you need, back in, hook up, and drive away. When the road ends, you don't have to sweat bullets anymore. The Revolution allows for tight U-turns without backing up. Now you can make a 90-plus degree turn without the worry of the trailer striking the cab of the truck. Tight turns are no problem. Check this out. Over 90-degree turning radius. The thing spins on a dime. During the initial setup, inserting the wedge into the funnel opening of the fifth wheel hitch moves the pivot point from the hitch back 22 inches, which gives clearance for the turns. The weight of the trailer then remains over the rear wheels of the truck, avoiding any steering or braking issues. With the Forest River Flagstaff fifth-wheel trailer equipped with a Reese Revolution, your vacation will be more enjoyable. Remember, it's not the destination, it's the journey.